howdy, it's the boss buddy, AA. I'm here to make your day, put you in the mood for a helpful attitude. Save the planet, be a cool dude. If you don't know what to do, help the birds and bees and butterflies too. Ooh, ooh, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Boss buddy!
False Blue Indigo. It's so awesome you can't stop watching it blossom. Don't just plant a random species. Avoid the cultivars and get the straight species. The perennial blooms in the summer and spring. It will make your beauty side ring. Bling! This plant attracts butterflies and bees, and we can take care of it with these. By the way, don't spray chemicals. Jeez Louise. False Blue Indigo. It's so awesome you can't stop watching it blossom. Don't just plant a random species. Avoid the cultivars and get the straight species. These indigo likes the sun, and I'd rather have clay soil than none. This plant can grow tall, don't worry, it's not a creeper, so it won't climb up your wall. If that's the case, I won't say anything but LOL at all. It grows at a width of 3 feet, and its flowers are thinner than a paper sheet. It is a lot thinner, and for the pollinators, it is yummy dinner. False Blue Indigo. It's so awesome, you can't stop watching it blossom. Don't just plant a random species. Avoid the cultivars and get the straight species. Woo! The scientific name is Bacteria australis. Its flowers look like a dainty miss, one the pollinators love to kiss. Bacteria australis. Dusky winged caterpillar eats this plant like a killer, but its plant's okay, all day, every day. From sapling to flower, grew a lot by the hour, 2 years to be exact. Now that's a fun fact. Planted now, kapow! Let's go, let's go, let's go! Buzz buddy! I really appreciate if you'd sub to the channel, like my video, and comment down below if you like wraps, what your favorite plant is, whether you have a garden, anything really that's related to nature, because I really love comments, guys. I'm obsessed with them. Anyways, have a great day, and wherever you live,